In today's video, I will be showing how to export with IFC 4.3 in Civil 3D, and we are going to compare it to the usual way of IFC exports. The usual way of IFC exports in Civil 3D is to convert objects into 3D solids and then export them. The problem with this way is that the objects exported are going to lose their assigned properties. Let's do an example right here. Let's say we want to export these 4 pipes and 4 structures of this pipe network. We start first by converting them to 3D solids. We use the command convert to 3D solids. And we always want to do that on the 3D view so nothing gets lost. Convert to 3D solids. I'm not going to erase the selected objects. Okay. And now I'm going to type the command IFC export. IFC export. This is the usual way of exporting IFC in Civil 3D. As we can see that, let's choose the file and let's name this network solids. All elements of this network are 3D solids. Let's export. Let's now try to open this IFC in the beam vision. Network solids. Okay. For example, if I select this pipe right here, the properties assigned in Civil 3D are gone in the IFC. As we can see, there is no properties in this list, and the IFC entity is IFC building element proxy. This is a proxy element. So the advantage of the IFC 4.3 is that the exported objects will conserve their properties. Let's do an example. Let's start first by erasing the 3D solids, as we will not use them in the IFC 4.3 export way. And what we will need is we need to download the 4.3 IFC extension. You will find it in the Autodesk site. After this extension is installed, new commands are added to Civil 3D. If we want to export by in this way, we will select what we want to export and type the command IFC infra export selected. And we are going to name it network 4x3. Let's see the difference in beam vision. In beam vision, we open the new file with the network IFC 4.3. If we select this pipe, we can see that this list contains all the assigned properties that exists in Civil 3D, and nothing is gone. This is the advantage of this new extension. The problem with the IFC 4.3 is that it's still not 100% official. It's still in beta version. Let's say you want to edit this list and to make it shorter and not to export all these properties. What you want to do is go back to the Civil 3D file and with the command IFC infra property, save property templates, and we are going to edit on the JSON file. Let's go back to the same file and we want to edit this export property mapping. Let's open it, and let's say I don't want to display this property, for example, or this property. I don't want this property nor thing to show in this list. I want to make it shorter for a certain kind of purpose. So what I want to do is go right here to the text and deleted, as simple as that. And once we save this file and we export again, and we do the export again, we will find that in this property will not show right in this list. That's it for today's video.